Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I just go down from the bus. I came from my training. 24 hours duty yesterday and I finished only today morning. I need to go home to sleep and rest. See. This is Hamdan Street. The brown building is WTC that in my back. See, this is Hamdan Street, but our place is in Khalifa Street. Between Khalifa Street and Cornish. And no bus pass by there near the house. Came from airport road. See.